How to find archived emails on Gmail on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can find the archived or unarchived emails and how you can actually unarchive them as well. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if I go ahead and just simply open up the Mail app, and let's say just for the context of this video, I will simply actually archive a few emails. So let's say this one, no reply transaction alert one. In order to archive this, I would have to tap on this little arrow icon which you see at the top of the screen. So if I start to show you, this is basically the archive button. If I tap on it, you can see it says one archive. Now I can go ahead and then unarchive this as well. So I will basically tap on the undo button which you see if you want to unarchive them. However, if you missed that, and if I go to the menu bar right over here, you'll be able to see a list of various options. But you can actually notice that we don't have the section called archive when we can access all of the emails which we have sent to archived, and we can unarchive them. So if you want to find the unarchived, the only way to actually go on the Android app is to simply go to the button which says all mail. So as you can see, all mail, select all mail, and you'll be able to see a list of all of the emails which you have archived as well. So if you long press on a particular mail and you don't see the archive button on the top, then it means that this email is already archived. So if I go ahead and undo that, if I go ahead and select any of the random ones over here, and if you see the archive button, this means that it is not actually archived, and you can send them to the archive folder. So if you want to actually remove this email from unarchived, then tap on the three dots after selecting that email, and then simply select the button which says move to inbox. As soon as you do that, that archived mail will be moved to inbox, and this is how you can actually locate it. I don't know why Google made it so complicated and the Gmail app has no option to access the separate folder for the archived emails and so on. But this is it. Hopefully this video answered your question. As I said, you have to go to the all emails tab, and if you long press on it, if you don't see the archive button, then it means that this is already archived. But if you want to archive this, then you could simply press on this archive icon in order to send them back to the main screen. Hopefully this video answered your question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.